Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix Roblox error code 268 unexpected client behavior. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So guys, our first step is to close background application. For that you need to enter into the task manager. Over there please end task all the Roblox supporting background applications. So once it's done, please close the task manager, and the second step is to disable VPN and proxy. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings you need to enter into the network and internet, and please scroll down, you may see proxy. Please click it, and you need to enter into the setup to disable the proxy settings. So once it's done, please save it and close it. Same you need to do for VPN. So the step 3 is to reinstall the Roblox. So for that you need to enter into your settings and then apps and then installed apps. Please do uninstall the Roblox, and please do delete the files and folders related to the Roblox in the C drive. So once it's done, please do reinstall the Roblox by using your web browser or Microsoft Store. So once it's done, our fourth step is to clear the Roblox cache. For that you need to press Windows R and then type percentage local app data percentage and slash Roblox. Over here you need to delete the log folder. Once you deleted the log folder, please close it, it will automatically retrieve it. So fifth step is to allow the Roblox through Windows security. It's nothing but a firewall. So just enter into the Windows security and then firewall and network protection. So over there you need to find the Roblox, click change settings, and please do check private and public or enabled or not. If not, please do enable it. So once it enabled, please save it and close it. And our sixth step is to reinstall Windows Update. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings you need to enter into the Windows Update and then please click check for update. If in case it shows any error, please do check out my video to troubleshoot it. So our seventh step is to run system file checker. For that you need to enter into the command prompt as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. You need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes because you need to load from 0 to 100. I'm just speeding the video. So once it's done, our last step is to restart your PC. I hope you enjoy the video and the issue will be solved. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Bye bye.